Hi, hello viewers, welcome to my channel Chai with Varu. In this video, I like to share with you a very easy and a tasty veggie quinoa bowl. This can be made very quickly for lunch or even dinner too. So for this, I'm going to be using my garden fresh organic kale and organic cherry tomatoes in this recipe. So let's get started. Please watch my video till the end to see the yummy, delicious recipe you could make for your family and for you too. Do try this easy, tasty veggie chickpeas quinoa bowl and let me know how you liked it in the comment section below. If you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Chai with Varu. Also, don't forget to press the notifications bell icon. See you again with another new video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.